Marinate for 5 minutes. Tastes like 5 hours. Restaurant-style salt and pepper ribs in just 20 minutes. No deep frying. Remove the membrane from the back of the ribs and cut them apart. Add flour and rub to remove impurities. Rinse until the water runs clear. Pat dry completely so the marinade won't get diluted. Mince the garlic. Dice the red and green peppers. Cut the scallions into sections. Now for the key step, 5-minute marinade that gives you 5-hour flavor. Use ginger garlic paste instead of chopped pieces. Add scallions, soy sauce, and oyster sauce. Spread it evenly over the ribs. Massage well so the flavor absorbs quickly. Five minutes is all you need. Remove the scallions. Add starch. This is the secret to a crispy coating. Lightly coat each rib. Many people struggle with frying temperature, but just follow this timing and you won't fail. Heat oil over medium heat, just enough to cover the ribs or slightly less. No deep frying. When small bubbles form around the chopstick, add the ribs one by one. For ribs this size, fry 5 minutes per side. Medium-sized ribs needs 4 minutes per side. Flip once and cook the same amount of time. Want extra crispiness? Increase the heat and refry for 30 seconds. Heat a pan over medium-high with a little oil. Stir-fry the peppers and garlic until fragrant. Return the ribs and toast for 1 minute. Add sea salt and black pepper. Then toast for another 2 minutes. Cook until evenly coated. Golden, crispy, restaurant quality salt and pepper ribs in 20 minutes. Thanks for cooking with me. If you love quick, healthy meals, hit like and subscribe. See you next time.